What's up guys, it's WhiteDino, and for the past few months I have been using a regular mouse, which causes me a bit of inconvenience and trouble. So today, I'm going to be unboxing another peripheral that I'm about to add to this setup. The Logitech Pro Wireless gaming mouse. And if you guys are wondering what's in my screen, that's a painting of a banana and an apple and whatever that fruit is. It's my homework.
LOL!
ASMR.
So that's all for today guys, and if you guys like the video, please like it, subscribe, and follow my Facebook and follow my Twitch. Follow my Instagram for static pictures that I'm about to post. And that's it guys, peace out.